right, here's the video explanation to help you finish your homework. Just in case you missed out on some parts, because I'm checking all of it, and I know we started this in class. I'm just going to recap and do a playlist per section. So, a couple things we need to remember. This is in our notes. If it's a minor arc, we name it using two letters. Okay, two letters that are on the circumference or on the edge of the circle. And a minor arc is always less than 180 degrees. If it's a major arc, we use three letters to name it. Okay, and if it's a major arc, it's greater than 180. If it's a semicircle, again we use three letters to name it, but it equals 180 degrees. All right, so for our minor arcs, I want us to use this circle here, and to remember there can be more than one answer. So for example, I think in class we looked at ST, this arc here, this curve. The endpoints are the ST. The point we're never going to use is the center, which is P. We're only using the points on the circle. So that's ST, U, Q, R, and we're going to do any combination of that. So I can say ST, and then I put the arc symbol over it. ST is also equal to, and I could also name it QR, because we have vertical angles right here. And another thing that we're going to get into for the second part is that we need to remember that the measure, lowercase m means measure, of your arc is equal to the measure of your central angle. Okay, so just remember our measure of our arc equals to our measure of our central angle. Now, so we had ST, we had QR, we had UT. These answers can vary, but I want you to list as many minor arcs, what was it, QU, as possible, okay? As long as they're less than 180. Also, we recapped in our examples that when we have a circle, the diameter cuts it in half. So this arc together total would be 180. And when I'm looking at the other half, that's our semicircle, that would be 180 as well. And then we can start filling in our parts. So a major arc has to be a piece that's bigger than that. Bigger than 180, bigger than half a circle. So I could go from S, trying to think, yeah. I could go S, U, Q would be half circle. If I go one more point, that would be more than a circle, more than 180, more than a semicircle, so it would be greater than 180. So we can say S, U, I believe. That would be a major. Or I could have TRU. So I'm going to find out more than one. I'm going to rename these, keep the color coding the same. So major was red I had on here. So SUR, and then that would be like that. And then we had TUS. There's more than one. All right, semicircle equals 180. So that's our half circles. And we have to use three letters for that. So we can use the left side. We can do a combination. We can say RQU. Oops. Or we can say RQT. Okay. On the right side, then I'm using RST. Or I can say TSR. Okay. So that takes care of that part. Now we get into our video for the examples of problems.